Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever thought about taking full control of your investments? Self-directed investing in Canada lets you do just that, giving you direct access to financial markets. You choose your own stocks, bonds, or ETF, managing your entire portfolio directly and making all the decisions yourself. It's an incredibly empowering way to build wealth, putting you firmly in the driver's seat of your financial future. One of the biggest perks is saving on management fees, which can significantly impact your long-term returns. You also gain complete control over your investment choices, aligning them perfectly with your personal goals and values. Plus, you can fully utilize Canadian tax-advantaged accounts like TFSA and RRSP, maximizing your growth potential over time. When selecting a brokerage, look closely at their trading fees, as these can vary widely and impact your profitability. Research the platform's features, ensuring it offers the tools and research you need to make informed decisions. Also, consider the quality of their customer support, because having good help available is always reassuring. To begin, simply open a self-directed investment account, perhaps a TFSA or an RRSP, depending on your financial goals. Then, fund your account with money you're ready to invest, whether it's a lump sum or regular contributions. Finally, start choosing your investments, building a portfolio that suits your risk tolerance and objectives. Always dedicate time to thoroughly research the investments you're considering, understanding their risks and potential. Make sure to diversify your portfolio across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. Remember, self-directed investing is often most effective when viewed as a long-term journey, focusing on consistent growth rather than quick wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.